of our new spring break trip to the desert. Wait, where is he? There he is. Daddy and Kendall and Colton, and as you can see, it's very windy. It's like crazy windy. Windy day. Can't even see anybody. Everybody's inside their camp. More people are coming tonight. Oh, she took her goggles off, honey. There, she's got them. And Colton, he's the man. Woo! Good job, Colton! You can see this is where we camp, and there's nobody out because it's windy. The motor, everything is flat. How are we going to eat barbecue tonight? How are we even going to sleep? But that's okay. It's fun, isn't it? Hint, hint. Not. No, it's actually nice. It's nice for the kids just to be able to go around and be free. Cool. Loves it. I can't wait till we get there and Bill gets there and we can ride our quad. Whoa! Here they come! Whoa! Here comes another one. Say hi, everyone, Colton! Let's get a picture of our motorhome. It's sunny, but that's our motorhome. Trailer. It's all here. But if you look at the surroundings of all the mountains around us, it's so pretty. But we are in a little town. We are making it even nicer. So this is our trip, 2008 spring break. God love ya.